Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to clean shoelaces really fast for free using things you can find around the house, taking them from this to this. Look how lovely and white they look. You will need a mild liquid soap. I like to use hand soap, bleach, laundry detergent or washing powder, a little tub of cold water, an old toothbrush to scrub any stubborn stains, some gloves to protect your hands. If you don't have these things or don't want to use bleach, you can also use baking soda or toothpaste, which sounds a little bit weird, but there's a link in the description you can check out to get instructions for that method if you prefer. First, wash the laces thoroughly in liquid soap and cold water. Don't use hot water as this will make the stains really set in and it's just not a good vibe. Take a whole bunch of liquid soap in your hands and make sure to just thoroughly coat the laces, paying attention to any stubborn stains. Then you just want to rinse them off in your cold water or run them under a tap. Look how dirty that water's going. Already you can see the laces have come up pretty clean just from liquid soap, which is great. If they're clean enough for you at this stage, you can stop there. But I like to go the extra mile and make sure the job's done properly. Get some fresh cold water, add in some washing powder or laundry detergent to make a solution. Mix it round. And then the secret ingredient is to add a few drops of bleach, about that much to the mix. Make sure you are doing this in a well-ventilated area away from pets and children, because we're going to want to leave this to sit for about 30 minutes now. If you have any stubborn stains on your laces, you can use an old toothbrush to scrub away any tough dirt and debris. Now the time has passed, let's take a look at our laces. Oh, they come out really nice and white. Let's take a look at that there. Great, and what you want to do now is take this, chuck it down the sink and rinse your laces in plenty of fresh cold water under a tap. Once you've rinsed them thoroughly, this is how they should be looking. Nice and white, still a little bit wet. So just wring them out as much as you can and allow them to dry fully before relacing your shoes. And this is the end result. Look how lovely and white they're looking. If you found the information in this video helpful, it'd be awesome if you could like and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot. Thank you.